Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very fresh eggs, a large pot, a slotted spoon, and a small bowl. Fill your pot with water, leaving about 2 inches from the top. Add a splash of white vinegar, approximately 1 tablespoon, to the water. Then, bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it is not boiling vigorously. Now, let's prepare the eggs. It's crucial to crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This simple step is vital because it prevents the yolk from breaking and helps the egg maintain its beautiful, round shape during poaching. Always use very fresh eggs. Their whites will hold together much better. Also, make sure your toast or other accompaniments are ready to go, as poached eggs are best served immediately. With your water at a gentle simmer, it's time to poach. Use a spoon to create a gentle swirl in the water. This helps the egg white wrap around the yolk. Carefully slide 1 egg into the center of the swirl. Poach the egg for approximately 2 to 3 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply extend the cooking time by another 30 seconds or so. Once your egg is perfectly poached, use a slotted spoon to gently remove it from the water. Briefly drain any excess water on a paper towel or a clean kitchen cloth. This ensures your toast won't get soggy. Season your beautiful poached egg with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve it immediately on warm, buttered toast or alongside your favorite breakfast sides for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.